on Backyard Farmer love to answer all of your questions. Whether you are talking to us from the Panhandle or from the urban canyon of Omaha, whether it's about wildlife, whether it's about pruning your new fruit trees, or figuring out whether an old tree needs to go, how to turn your turf into something beautiful, or turn your turf into a prairie. And we really want to help you make your landscape the best it can possibly be on Backyard Farmer. What I love about being a professor at the university is all those beautiful young people who come, get educated, go out into the world, in Nebraska oftentimes, start their own business, educate people, turn that business into another business in a small community that helps revitalize that place by opening a store. And this store connects the people to their own hometown. You can shop locally, you can experience all the wonderful things with your own colleagues and your people in your hometown. You can purchase the products that make your garden and your life that much more beautiful, and you can take advantage of those recommendations that we give you on Backyard Farmer. We've been talking about conservation and best practices on Backyard Farmer for years. And one of the best ways for you to understand that and put that into practice at home, whether home is CRPL acres or it is in your own backyard, is to choose products from and the knowledge from people who are Nebraskans. They know the place, they know the people, they are your best friends and ours when it comes to making your landscape, whatever it is, work for you. So join us on Backyard Farmer for another great season when we promote everything that we do best for you.